Hello everyone, hope you're having a great day. Today's video is going to be a project that I have put off for literally months. I've been saying day after day, I've been making excuses, it's too cold outside or this, that or the other, I don't have the time today, whatnot. But today I just decided to just do it. It had nice sunny weather earlier and I just went out, took advantage of that. Got a little sweat in, but got it done. So let me give you a little history on this project. This camera system is one of the first systems that I installed myself personally. It's not the first system that I installed, but it's one that I personally did for myself when I decided to add CCTV to my portfolio. So I said, let me see how long it would take me alone by myself with the tools to see how long it would take to wire up this house. So I bought a camera system off of eBay. Yeah, off of eBay or Amazon, one of them, can't remember. But it was like 4 years ago, and I basically got it for like $99 US. So it came with everything: cables, cameras, DVR. It did not come with a hard drive. I had to get that separately. So I had one lying around that I use, a 500 gig hard drive. And I took, how long? I took like 1 day to install it. Pretty much by myself. I went through all the hardships, going through the attic space, drilling through the wall, coming outside. And when I installed this, it was in the winter. It was cold, so my fingers were numb when I was trying to make connections and all that fun stuff. But it has seen the test of time. It has survived 3 winters. 3 whole winters, and for $100 that's not bad. However, for $100 you also got no features. Just point, shoot, record, see it on your phone, playback. That's about it. Really basic. But then I was not expecting much for $100 US. So as time went along, one of the cameras died, just kaput, died. So I did some troubleshooting and realized, okay, on the pre-made cable, the power side died. So it died on the power end. So the video ran fine, but when I put power on the end of the camera while connected to the video side of the cable, I got an image. So I realized one of the power connectors went bad. So instead of troubleshooting that and trying to figure out which one and have to replace, whether it's along the cable, whether it's on the end, I just said, you know what, I'll just run a fresh cable, put power connectors on each end, and get power from point A to point B, and the camera will be back up and running. So that's basically what I did today. Now you see me here, this is after it's done. This is after the work is done. I took a shower and all that, and I'm relaxed and composed myself. Alright, so let's just jump right into the repair. Alright, so I'll see you on the outside. Right, so right now we're going to make some adjustments. We're trying to get one of these cameras back online. So we just have to open here and send the cable through to the other side, because the cable died. The power side of the cable died anyway, that connects to the camera, so the camera is down. So what we have to do is just run another cable, and that cable will eventually replace the other cable. I'm going to run an Ethernet cable that is going to replace the pre-made the pre-made coax cable that is presently running to the camera. Now sometimes with these pre-made cables, they go bad. Either the video side goes bad or the power side goes bad, so you would have to replace them. They are cheaply made and mass produced, so you have to expect these things. And besides, it lasted at least 3 years, but I really believe it's probably some insect or cretin that actually caused damage to the cable. But nonetheless, I'll replace the cable eventually, and also I'll replace the cameras. So for now I'm just replacing the cable because it's a nice sunshiny day and there's supposed to be thunderstorms later, and I've been meaning to do this for weeks. So let me get at it, and yeah. Yeah, so we just got done running the video cable. Sorry, yeah, we run the cable. It's a little hot out here, so just got done running the cable. So now what we're gonna do is connect power connectors on both ends, and then mount back up the camera, test it, make sure it has power, make sure it works good, and then get it set up correctly in the right position so that we can regain yet another camera on the system. Now, just making sure everything is in place so that when the camera upgrades happen, it happens quickly. I just have to replace the cameras on the end. What has already been done is the DVR has been changed from one of those cheap $100 video systems that I bought to experiment with many years ago when I just started doing CCTV, and it lasted 4 winters. I'm impressed. It lasted 4 winters, but obviously now it has seen its time, and there was no features with it, no line crossing, no intrusion detection, no alerts to your phone, none of that. So I upgraded the system to an LTS system that has all these features, and if I need to upgrade or add more cameras, I have the option to add 2 additional IP cameras. So if we do ever need to expand, we can also expand with IP cameras. Yeah, so we just get to the last bits of this and get it up and running. Right, so now we're going over to the network part. So we're just going to make sure that the cameras actually begin to record and is making playback. So I'm just going to test that. Now I already know it is working because I use my phone to get the angles where I wanted it. So we just sign in. Let's do a quick check. All right, all 4 cameras. Previously on the 3rd camera here, this particular image is the one I just put up, but this one used to just say video loss. There was no camera here. So let's just go check really quick. Oh, not configuration actually. All right, we're going to check the playback. Now this one would be the driveway camera. So let's check the playback for that, and we'll do a search. The playback time should be around 1400, which is around 2 o'clock. That's when I actually got done doing this. So let's run that beautiful bean footage. All right, there you go. So we have playback from 2 o'clock today. So you can see here we have playback. Let's go a little bit forward, see what else is there. And that's after I move the ladders. Let's get a little bit before. Yep, there was me. There I was trying to get it right. Alright, so everything seems to be working. It seems to be recorded out the gate. And I just had to do some fine tuning, but that seems to be it. Alright, thank you for listening to me, and thank you for joining me on this journey. And if you need to get something done, just do it. Don't procrastinate. Procrastination is the thief of time. So thank you for your time, however. And this is Damien from FixWinPC signing off.